So here we are, the morning of day 3. Yes. Actually get to see a sunrise. Never get a shift where I get to see a sunrise. Didn't this time either. Just decided to stay up and see what it looked like with the other guys here. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventurous own Dreamweaver. Hey, look, Brian, how you doing? You feeling better?
Doing good, so much better. We're upright today.
Matt's fishing. Like I said, he's got the same record as Jason. They're tied 0-0, and Jason's happy.
Yep. I had it the whole time.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a big piece of seaweed. Good job, man. Fish, good job.
John said he would clean any fish that we caught. He's never cleaned one before because he knew he'd never have to clean one. So yeah, we're having a good time. The seas are good. We went by Sargassum Island back there. It was a great old big thing. The Sargassum, it was, yeah, it's big. But the seas are pretty. It finally calmed down some. Ryan's quit feeding the fish, puking in the water, so that's good. So, got good times. It's beautiful.
Come on, man, you get it.
So here's Brian. He's stripping off for us. Hey, so Brian, you went down downstairs, and what did you say? You did what?
Guess what?
I
didn't have to throw up.
Oh, wow.
Now,
so Brian's going to shower, but mainly we're trying to get a good thumbnail. I think it's a thong for the shower. I'm not really sure.
I feel weird video in.
So Tabby's going to be a little jealous on this. It's going to be Brian's new thumbnail.
Yep.
It's going to be. We'll give him some tassels there to put on them things and block them out. Like a club, there you go.
YouTube's gonna demonetize this.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm live jacketing up?
Yes, you are. Alright, it's tethered in.
Are you sure?
If I get wet.
Yeah, so we can't wait to see this one. I'm videoing this.
You got a waist one? Either that or tie a thing around his waist and get one of those throws ready.
Brian, I
So
think
if he
you're
goes
not
in,
gonna
hang your feet over anything, man. I think you'll be okay.
I don't get to hang.
You know,
it's only weird if your face lost
I didn't know what to say.
So this is Dreamweaver watching Matt watch another man shower.
Is this video in right now, Brian?
You gotta press the top button, I think. Also, it says recorded.
Make it sexy.
Oh, don't worry, we'll add the music in. Yes, sir.
I don't know why you guys showered inside.
Yeah, I don't know why we did
Because
that.
we wanted to wash below our pants.
Because we're not next to this one.
Yeah. We were trying to get all the salt.
I like a little private when I'm showering.
He's got glass walls.
Yeah, who does?
Kids are like that again.
He has an outside shower, but it doesn't have any walls in it.
Nice.
So I got the neighbor showering again.
Yeah.
We call it.
Well, with Brian all cleaned up with his outside shower, we'll say, and feeling a little bit better, it's time to get back to some serious sailing, and it's time for Matt to be at the helm. John Dixon was a helicopter pilot in Vietnam, and he has been all over the world, has some of the best stories you've ever heard. When you're out boating, if you ever get out with him, he'll tell you a great story that was true. Beautiful.
After I got to Korea, Vietnam, he put centerpiece in Vietnam. So I started getting equipment from Vietnam in the unit I was in. Matter of fact, the first helicopter I wanted to be in. Straight out of
How we doing, fellas?
Fresh off the battlefield.
Brian looks like he's doing great. John, how's John doing?
Living the life.
Telling war stories?
Yeah.
Awesome. Matt?
Doing good. It's slow going right now.
Okay. Well, we've still got 6 or 7 knots.
With waves.
Huh?
He's wrestling with waves.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I was down there. I was down there in the sack. I could feel it. It's
Yeah.
like,
You look at the waves and tell them we don't really have.
About that time, we saw some dolphins on one side of the boat, then on the other side of the boat, then going under the boat. So it was trying to catch up with them with the camera to be able to see them.
that side or for running the bow. Here, tell you what.
Backseat's like a roller coaster. Get lost in the headlights. You're the reason I'm still not sober. Never measure the meds right. I'm losing balance of my chemicals. Trying to let you go. Light the fuse, watch me explode. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I wish that girls like you came with the warning sign. Left me blank in the woke up dead inside. So just a manic morning. I'm just another sucker for these girls like you. These girls like you. Stay for the exit notes. I just let it go, still trying in it. Been in for a minute. Turn up the radio. Every song is so fucking reminiscent of everything I'm missing at.
Well, it was time for another good tale from John Dixon.
The devil incarnate with all them tattoos and everything. It's like I used to have a friend that his name was, everybody called him Cowboy. He was in the Hells Angels. But the dude that give you a shirt off his back, he was just a sweet-hearted fella. He'd cry at the drop of a hat. And, but he, somehow or another, in his younger days, I guess he got involved with the Hells Angels. And once you're in, you don't get out.
Raid man on their house.
And day 3 comes to an end. Next episode on Dreamweaver SV. We have to reef the sails in the middle of the night. It's quite unique to see a competent crew to be able to do it when it's really dark. So this is an event.